you still believe in the investment mantra that you were often credited as your mantra, which is invest in what you know.
Yeah, I'm amazed at somebody. Imagine you spent you a long time in your field,
yes.
in my field. Imagine if you were in a mall the last 30 years.
Yes.
You would have seen the Gap. You would have seen Best Buy. You would have seen Circuit City. You would have seen these companies that are crowded doing something better. And they're buying biotechnology stocks or oil companies. It makes no sense to me. If you're in the steel industry, you see it go from awful to better.
Yeah.
Why don't you buy a stock?
Go ahead.
In a mall, imagine the companies you've seen, the Dunkin' Donuts. It goes on and on. Walmart, Stop and Shop. These are all companies that really got better. Somebody said, gee, I'm shopping there. But I'm not saying people should, if they want to invest, they ought to do the same kind of research they do when they buy a refrigerator. Right. They take a trip to Italy. Do some homework.
You know what is about this country that is stunning to me? For the most part, we don't do that about medicine and our health.
The stock market, often referred to as the heartbeat of the economy, is a dynamic and complex system where investors trade shares of publicly listed companies. It plays a crucial role in capital allocation, wealth creation, and economic growth. Let's dive into the fascinating world of the stock market, exploring key concepts and insightful quotes from market legends.
Warren, how would you define true success?
Well, I've said many times that if you get to be 65 or 70 and later, and the people that you want to have love you actually do love you, you're a success. I've never seen anybody that reaches that age. I mean, I'm not talking about somebody that's in extreme poverty or pain or something, but I've never seen anybody that, if they have a lot of people that love them, that is other than happy. And I've seen some very, very wealthy people that they give testimonial dinners to and name schools after and everything. And nobody loves them, Their own kids would say, he's in the attic, But he never came.
Understanding the stock market. At its core, the stock market represents the collective sentiment of millions of investors. It's driven by various factors, including economic indicators, company performance, geopolitical events, and investor psychology. As Warren Buffett once said, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Investing in stocks. Investing in stocks is a way for individuals to become part owners of successful companies. It requires careful analysis, diversification, and a long-term perspective. As Benjamin Graham, the father of value investing, advised, the stock market is filled with individuals who know the price of everything but the value of nothing. Risk and volatility. In the words of Peter Lynch, the stock market is filled with individuals who know that the market is going down but have no idea when it will go up.
What has changed about investing in the market since you left in 1990?
Well, I think there's a lot of this computer-driven things, where people buy stocks for a second and only for a second. I think that's a waste of time. I think it's disruptive. On the positive side, information to the public is so much more available today. When a company releases their numbers and they have a call, it's open on the web to everybody.
Right.
All the information. We used to wait for the mail to come to see what Nike's inventories were like. And we find out we get in our library in the first-class mail. So all this information. So the investing for the average person now is much clearer. They know the same thing as I do. All this. You don't want to invest in a company whose balance sheet is they got $8 billion in debt and they have no cash and they're losing money. That's a terrible combination. You get all the information now. So information is a lot better than it was.
The stock market is inherently risky, and volatility is its constant companion. Successful investors embrace risk management strategies and understand that short-term market fluctuations are part of the game. Market timing and patience. Timing the market is notoriously difficult. Legendary investor Peter Lynch emphasized the importance of patience, stating, "Far more money has been lost by investors preparing for corrections or trying to anticipate corrections than has been lost in corrections themselves." Rather than timing the market, focus on identifying quality companies with solid fundamentals. Emotional discipline. Controlling emotions is crucial for successful investing. Sir John Templeton, a renowned investor, highlighted this by saying, "The four most dangerous words in investing are, this time, it's different." Emotional discipline helps investors avoid making irrational decisions based on short-term market trends. Long-term investing. Investing in the stock market should be viewed as a long-term endeavor. As Warren Buffett wisely advised, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the inattentive to the patient. Compounding returns over time can create significant wealth, provided investors have the discipline to stay invested. Market speculation. Speculation is different from long-term investing and often involves higher risk. It requires careful analysis and an understanding of market dynamics. As Jesse Livermore, a famous stock trader, said, "The stock market is never obvious. It is designed to fool most of the people, most of the time." Diversification. Diversification is an essential risk management technique. By spreading investments across different asset classes and industries, investors can reduce the impact of individual company or sector-specific risks. Mark Twain humorously remarked, "October, this is one of the peculiarly dangerous months to speculate in stocks. The others are July, January, September, April, November, May, March, June, December, August, and February." The stock market is a captivating arena where investors can participate in the growth and prosperity of companies. It requires knowledge, discipline, and a long-term perspective. As you venture into the world of investing, remember the wise words of legendary investors and embrace the opportunities that the stock market presents.